So it's the end of the day here at Vicrez, and we're pretty much done with Model 3 transformation. We went ahead and changed the wheels with the Vicrez Forge one-piece wheels. All the parts are going to be linked in the description below. Of course, we got also the aero package that you can see right over here. It comes with the front lip, side skirts, and the rear diffuser. Of course, we went with our Vicrez vinyl wrap as well. And the diffuser, we're just missing right now the rear spoiler, but that's going to be added on to tomorrow. And once again, the whole transformation is going to be going up on our YouTube channel. We also went ahead and upgraded the steering wheel, and video is going to be going up as well. The color, we did a full wrap with Vicrez vinyl. We went with the pink gold finish, and I don't know if you can see it right now, but in the sunlight it has it's like a nice glitter yellowish finish. And yes, this is vinyl. Yeah, and it looks pretty damn sick. Right over there, of course, we have the C8, the Charlie, the Mustang, the Durango video. It's full transformation videos going up on our YouTube channel as well for that one. Right over there, we have the Hellcat white body with the white body. And yeah, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, to stay tuned with the most updates, new product release, and pretty much anything that has to do car related. And as always, we'll see you guys next time.